Hello, Chris here from Hughes Family Adventures. So we stayed at the Bloc Hotel at Gatwick South Terminal on our latest trip to Orlando. Come along and see what we thought. There is a reception somewhere, if you need to speak to somebody. But it's generally like all quick and easy, efficient, and supposedly like cheaper kind of thing. Found it, 629. And then you should be able to unlock. Can you tap that? Unlock room. Click, there we go. So we went for the most budget room, which doesn't have a window. That's kind of where you would have a one, I guess, isn't it? So I'm guessing it's like an internal room, not like on an outside wall. Which it's like 10 o'clock now.
Yeah,
and we're going to shut the bed and we up at, what was it, about half six? So kind of what's the point? It's a bed. Let's give you a quick tour. It'll take all of 5 seconds. The bed. There is a TV there. Lighting controls. That's odd there, isn't it? I would have walked into that, you know. I thought it was a room like the bathroom. It's glass. Mm-hmm. I would have seriously walked into it. Not the first time I've done that, is it?
No, definitely.
Is the light switches or the on
this is...
here?
Oh.
That was a light switch. I'm in. And then we got like access here. It's got lights there.
No, the bathroom light's gone on now.
So like, presume bedside. There we go. A slightly window. Oh yeah, there's a colour to it there, wasn't there?
Oh yeah.
It's about what, 2 second delay, I'd say. Yeah, that's quite cool. And you can go back. Obviously, climate. So you can turn it up and down or turn it off. It's on 21, then, right?
No, I need it warmer. It's cold.
Warmer. 22 at least.
Yeah, I think yeah.
Access, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's just back to unlock a new room if you go back out. Oh yeah, just turn the aircon off there. Set to 22, so maybe it doesn't heat, just turns like the cold off. And then just quick look at the bathroom. Oh, it's just like a big wet room, like it's all in one. So shower, drainage, and then toilet, and sink behind the door there. I was going to say, just about to say, I'm surprised the toilet flushes in electronic. Hand wash there, and tops on the wall. It's a bit different weight though. It's a glass door, and it's got a glass kind of panel here. Got some hooks to hang your things up there. Got your escape plan, and then there's a number there if you need to contact reception. But that glass is, I suppose it makes the room bigger. Feel bigger, but I'd walk into it. And then we've got the towels there as well. Oh, they're quite soft. They do feel soft. One of the softest ones I've felt, really. It's quite surprising, being like a budget hotel. If you scan the QR code on the TV in the room, it will take you to a web page with various offers and discounts at restaurants and lounges inside the airport. One little note before we go to bed. Kelly just made a point. There's no tea and coffee facilities. Didn't even think about that when we booked, because there always is. Kelly's just kind of gone, there's no tea and coffee.
Later rather, so I wouldn't have had a cup of tea, but it's not that late that I would have a cup of tea normally. But
there's 2 bottles of water, and that's it. Good morning, it is travel day. We are excited. Review of the Bloc Hotel, generally really good. Kelly said she slept not too bad, but she never sleeps great when not at home. I woke up a few times. I could hear like noises. I think every time someone flushed the toilet, you could hear the water running, and a few little like noises. Just saying, this light, bedside light, see there? It's so bright you can't quite see. No, you can't. Because it's like a block, a cube, it's just giving me massive Minecraft vibes. It's pretty cool, really. Something else that I didn't see last night, I thought this was the shower. There's a massive, like, 30cm rainfall. job on the ceiling, which I missed yesterday. It's basically just like one big massive wet room. Right, so we booked the number 1 lounge. Couldn't quite remember which lounge because there's quite a few at Gatwick South. Yeah, so number 1 lounge we booked. So we're gonna go there for security. You can go to the lounge 3 hours before your flight. So just gonna do the checkout. So you should get a link for this automation system. I go by WhatsApp and by email as well. So just click the checkout. And that's it, I'm done. Oh, so there's a link, Kelly. I checked out by mistake. So you can click that if you didn't. I've just seen where the lifts are. You can check out here. They've got, if you had a card, you can drop off there. And there's also a tablet to check out as well electronically. So we came in on level 3 from the train, didn't we, from the train station, departures, but it's floor 2 for check-in and bag drop. And then you must go upstairs for your departures after you've done your bags.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to carry on watching this trip to Orlando, click the video on screen now.